Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Felicitas Vanessa. In case you're new here, welcome. So today guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna cook mandazi in an African way. So I'm in my African kitchen. Welcome. So today guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna cook mandazi in an African way. So I'm in my African kitchen, and right now I'm gonna show you a bit so that you can see how it looks. So let me show you. This is where we put our things. Like here, this is a basin. I've put in my wheat flour for baking. All my ingredients for cooking mandazi. So they are there. I've not yet prepared the flour. So right over here guys, this is the jiko. This is how our kitchen looks like. This is where we put our fire and then you cook from there. So, and then this is where the firewood is. You can see there's too much firewood. So up here is where you, after you cook your thing, maybe you have your cooking pot, you have cooked your rice, you can put it there, or the plate when you're serving. And there is where we put water, and this is the door where you put your pot. They are like shelves. So guys, that's how my kitchen looks like. Now I want to put in some warm water for the water to boil on the jiko. So right now I'm putting water for preparing my wheat flour. So I've already put in some water on the jiko and the fire is okay. So I'm preparing myself for preparing the wheat flour. So right now the water that I put on the fire has already boiled. I'm gonna bring it down, and then I have a separate bucket here with the cold water. So I'm gonna start with the sugar. This is a cup of sugar. Then salt. I'm gonna measure salt using my palm. So this is how I do it. After that, I need baking powder. This is the baking powder. Baking powder helps the mandazi to be soft and to bring that beautiful color, the brown color, and also the softness of the mandazi. So after that, I'm gonna mix my hot water and the cold water. So this is the secret ingredient. My secret ingredient is always milk. I usually love it milk when I'm cooking mandazi. So milk brings that sweet taste. So after that, I'm washing my hands before I start mixing my water. So here I'm mixing everything and I'm tasting so that I can feel how the mandazi will taste like. So after that, I put in the flour and continue mixing like I'm doing it here. So here I've already mixed everything and I'm about to finish, and this is how to do it. I normally use one hand, but other people use two hands, but I mostly love using one hand. So finally I'm done.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
So guys, finally I'm done, and this is my unga. So finally I'm done making my unga, and now I'm gonna leave it for a while for it to bake for like 15 or 30 minutes. Oh, unfortunately I'm sweating. This is my hand. I usually use the right hand. So this is my hand. I'm already in sweat because there is fire ongoing here. So I'm gonna wait for it to bake for like 15 minutes, and then I continue and show you how we roll, how we do things. So now it's 15 minutes after I baked the flour. Now I'm setting on the fire. I'm using here a sufuria to cook my mandazi. So I'm setting the fire. So after the sufuria and the fire is set and done, I'm pouring in the cooking oil that will help me cook the mandazi now. So after that, I'll go ahead and add in more firewood for the fire to really come out, for the fire to light and become more strong, so that it could heat the sufuria and the oil inside. I've already added more firewood, and I'm going ahead and blow for the fire to be more strong. So here everything is set, the firewood is lighting, and there is oil in the sufuria, so I'm waiting for the oil to get heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my first bowl. This is the bowl that I'm talking about. So here I'm using, if most people don't have tables, but if you have table, you can use a table, but you can also use a lid. So this lid is for the big cooking pots or sufurias. So this lid, I put this lid on top of the sufuria, and I'm rolling it out, and then I'm using enough to cut into smaller parts. So I was waiting for the oil to heat, and now the oil is perfect. We are going to start heating our first bowl of mandazi, and you can see me, I'm being very keen because this is a sufuria. Okay, so I'm being very keen, I don't want to burn my hands.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So after leaving your mandazi to cook on the other side, after you see the mandazi have started turning into golden brown, you turn them onto other side so that the other side also can cook. The other side also can cook.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna
So the other side is also cooked well. I'm using a knife here, so you can see this is the first mandazi. This is the color I was talking about, the golden brown color, and they are looking so beautiful. So this is how we cook mandazi here in Kenya, Africa. Okay.
I begin to.
So finally, guys, I'm on the last mandazis. So can't imagine I've cooked the whole bucket, I mean. So my bucket is about to be full. You can see it there. So I have finished the whole flour. Can you imagine that? So guys, thank you for watching this video until the end. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. This is a sample of the mandazi. This is how they're looking like. You can see the color is so nice. You can take this with tea in the morning. You can take this with bean stew, meat stew, just anything with stew. You can eat it with mandazi. So you can see also inside there's not too much meat. Bye, see you on the next video.